welcome to another Get Round Picture. Today is Saturday the 17th of May and it is the opening of the brand new Ghostlty Manor ride here at Paultons Park. We got here yesterday and they unexpectedly opened the ride halfway through the day, so we got a couple rides in on Ghostlty Manor yesterday, but I'm looking forward to the brand new opening today and getting back inside. And join me today at Paultons Park while we have a little look.
Yes. If you're happy, yeah.
Dr. Kinley here, Ghost Hunter Extraordinaire. Thank goodness you're there at my manor. I'm in dire need of your help. Look, my ghost containment units are on the fritz, and those pesky phantoms are all around you. They've even possessed my paintings and pups. Zap them swiftly with your phasers. But be warned, some ghosts may put on a fight. It's up to you. You must explore the manor and recapture the ghosts yourselves. Find these escaping ghosts and zap them swiftly with your phasers.
Please follow the instructions of staff and pull the trigger to fire. The more ghosts, hands and feet must remain inside the vehicle at all times. 4 arrows to your seat. Numbers 1 and 2. The phantom phaser is designed for ghost capture. Simply aim the phaser at a ghost and pull the trigger to fire. The more ghosts you capture, the higher your score. Who will be the best ghost hunter?
Incredible work, team. OG and the ghosts are contained once again. You've truly saved the day. Check your score to see how well each of you has done. As you make your way out, please follow the instructions of my trusty staff. They'll ensure you exit safely and swiftly. Now,
I got most of that. Very stressful.
Go for it, guys, go for it. So we've just come off Ghostly Manor there. It said it was 45-minute queue. We waited about 20, which is gorgeous. So the manor exterior and the gardens are really, really, really nice. I love the whole queue line. They really rush you on to get everyone on and started before the room spins, which is a bit stressful, but they're really like getting everything going, which is nice. So the ride itself, I love like the movement and the spinning of it. It's really like quick, which is exciting. I think the guns are a little bit like unclear. I can't quite see where I'm going, and sometimes the aim felt a little bit off, but because this is our third time riding it, we're getting better every time. I really like it. It's really cute. I think it fits the park really well, very family friendly. I think it's a cute little addition to their lineup. Ghostly Manor. Thank you for watching another Get Rail video. Until next time.